Magic Whiteboard are launching our new magnetic tabletop whiteboards at BETT 2020. This is our folding early years primary whiteboard. You can see it folds flat, it's magnetic. You could use both sides of magnetic. You can also use it as a writing slope. You can even put it on a table so two children can do some group work together and collaborate. And then you could use it as a tabletop whiteboard. And you get the 8 pens and a magnetic eraser, and they also don't smudge, they wipe off completely clean, and they're guaranteed for 10 years, and they fold completely flat for easy storage. So that's our new tabletop magnetic folding whiteboard from Magic Whiteboard.